For many marketers searching for a way to dramatically cut costs, online lead generation can be the answer. If you already have a large list of leads or those who are interested in your products and services, this is an excellent method to generate sales. But for marketers searching for something more affordable and convenient than buying a product or service, this option may be a better fit for them. For these marketers looking for just some action conversion from their online leads, corporal marketing, or simply online lead generation, is the best choice. Corporal stands for cost per action, and it means that you don't have to buy a product and then sell that product to your list. Instead, you pay them for each lead that they bring in, and you can even track those results to see how effective you are at generating sales. What makes corporal marketing effective is that you will only pay your marketer based on the number of people who want to buy the product or service that you are offering. You are able to set up a subscription-based system where your marketer will only receive money once a lead is generated. As your marketer, you will get paid whenever you successfully sell a prospect. In fact, corporal can work very well for both traditional offline businesses and those who are new to internet marketing. The great thing about corporal is that it is extremely cost-effective and allows your marketer to work for you instead of you working for the marketer. You will not be paid to build up a list, but you can be paid for every lead generated by your online marketing efforts. As an added benefit, your list building efforts can be targeted to suit your needs and budget if you find that your leads aren't converting. For example, if your list is comprised mostly of people who have recently moved to a new area or haven't been active with your site in years, then you would not want to focus on this type of market. Another thing to look for when deciding which lead generation method is best for you is whether or not you want to be charged any money when someone signs up for your list. Many companies will offer opt-in services where your prospects fill out a form and you send them an email to subscribe to your list. You will only be billed when you actually get to know that the person is interested in the product or service that you are offering. For example, if you are offering an e-course on how to make your own coffee, you may want to choose a corporal company that has lead capture services that include email capture, which allows you to send an automatic response to each lead who responds to your email requesting information on how to make coffee. These services are especially valuable because it allows you to avoid wasting time and money with emails or phone calls to people who are simply interested in your offer and would like more details. Online lead generation can be done both ways, and both options offer benefits for both new and experienced marketers. Choose whichever is right for you, and enjoy the financial freedom of generating free sales. To make sure that you are choosing the right online lead generation system, you should always test the system to see how effective it is before actually committing to using it in your business. If you are trying to build a list with a free service, make sure to track your results and track the results of the free service versus the corporal provider. To ensure that your corporal provider offers all of the necessary tools and resources to ensure success, be sure to get a comprehensive tracking system, including a customer support package, which gives you instant access to the system's functionality. Be sure to check to see that the system gives you statistics on the number of new leads generated, email addresses, and the conversion rate between corporal and your email marketing efforts. Finally, be sure that the online lead generation system that you are looking at offers a solid and realistic money-back guarantee. If your system fails to generate any sales after you have used it for a given amount of time, then it is best to just move on to another system.